I believe that you have seen tech news sites such as The Verge, Engadget, TechCrunch, Android Authority and other popular websites. You have wondered how you can create websites like these. We are ready to share the best themes for technology news websites with you. Without any further ado, let's have a look at the best tech news themes for WordPress. If you wish to create successful tech news websites, Newspaper is a perfect choice. Built for the publishing industry, this elegant template will give your site the professional touch you are looking for, without coding anything. This WordPress theme offers game-changing features. Newspaper includes Tag Div Composer, the first page builder designed for news and magazine websites. With its intuitive interface, Tag Div Composer is a 100% front-end editing tool. You don't have to be a web designer to create a spectacular website. You can drag, drop and arrange over 100 elements, and see the changes happening live. Gillian is the perfect theme you can use for your tech news website, in the case you have little or no experience with WordPress and website administration. The theme was developed with SEO in mind, and it can adapt to all search engine optimization methods and purposes. The social media support of this theme is designed to assure you that every post will reach the audience of your site, no matter on which social platform they might be active on. Since advertisement is a delicate topic and it has to be managed flawlessly, you can afford off-place banners. The Gillian theme has an increased responsiveness for Google Ads and several areas for banners. It's easy to use while offering all features needed for a successful online publication. Mag+ is a WordPress theme ideal for technologically oriented pages. It is suitable for building blogs, magazine and posting news. To start with, you get Google AMP, which improves SERPs and SEO. It is the best option to optimize clients' or readers' mobile browsing experience. Mag+ is 100% responsive, which makes your material look stunning and simply amazing on any device. It is also fast and light-weighted. It offers smaller file sizes, fewer queries, and a 2.25 seconds load time. For your website design, Mag+ library has unlimited layout possibilities. Jenna is a powerful WordPress theme specialized in the news. It has all the speed and flexibility that a news website needs. Jenna includes many pre-made demos you can import with a single click. One of them is Tech News. The theme offers you the possibility to please this very specific niche. Your content is mobile optimized, loading fast everywhere with the Accelerate mobile pages. It has real-world features like elect and share GIF support or web-based notifications. Compass is a thoroughly flexible, amazingly powerful, visually sophisticated WordPress responsive multi-purpose theme. The result is Compass, a theme that is especially powerful when used in news and magazine websites. It is coded to be responsive and adaptive above all, and will allow you to fully make it your own while simultaneously drawing in viewers, and focusing them on your precious images and content, thanks to its carefully crafted templates and layouts that are free from distractions. Compass lets your users know where to go. So guys, hope you enjoyed this review. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe the channel. If you have any question about these products, feel free write down in the comments section. See you next time only on Tech Empire.